welcome back. In this series we are going to learn HTML, the complete HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, a language that browser understands and displays the text or the content in your browsers. So if you are here, I'll assume that you know what website or a web page is and you want to learn how to develop this. So I'm skipping the part of setting up internet and or how to browse the web or how to use computer, because this is not the purpose of this tutorial. This tutorial is solely for, basically this web series is solely for HTML. Okay, so in this first we learn what is hypertext markup language, a brief about HTML, because I assume that everybody knows what HTML is or what a website is. Second, we see who should watch this course. Third, we will see what this course contains. And fourth, we will see what you need before you can start learning HTML. So first, what is hypertext markup language? HTML is a way of communicating with web browsers, basically telling the web browser how to display the content in front of the user. It is an organized structure of tags that tell web browsers how to actually organize the content or display the content in a particular format so that it looks good or it looks as you like. I'll give you a brief example, a very short example. It is a one tag, then contains child tag, second child tag, and we close the parent tag. So most of the tags in HTML are starting and ending, are with starting and ending, and some of them like break means breaking to a new line or horizontal row. These are tags which are standalone tags and do not have a start or end tags, but most of them are starting and ending tags which contains subtags or the content within them. Who should watch this course? Because everybody sees videos on YouTube and everywhere, but nobody knows who should watch that video or what is the target audience for the video. So anybody who is willing to learn complete HTML to design and develop web pages is welcome to view this video. Anybody who is in technical writing or want to be a technical writer and he or she wants to understand how the web works can view this course. Anybody who is supervising the web designing department or wants to supervise web designing should learn this. And anybody who's just curious how the websites are working, and they might also get some good information. Now, second is what this course contains. Creating simple web pages. Basically, I'll be teaching you the tags one by one and their use plus their logic so that you can create your own simple web pages. We'll create sample web pages over here so that you have an idea how to use this language. We'll be using images, colors, tables and various other HTML elements with which you can build your web page. We will be first completing simple HTML, then we'll be moving forward to dynamic HTML and HTML5 to enhance web pages by including all the things mentioned above, linking web pages together to create a basic website, because one page is a simple web page, and if you connect multiple web pages, even one, two or more web pages, it is called a website. So we will see how to create multiple pages and link them with each other. Now last is what you need before you start. There is nothing much you will need to start learning for this, but there are certain basic things which I assume you already have because you are watching this video. So you should have a web browser. You must be watching this video in some web browser on some website, and an HTML text editor. You can start with Notepad, which is available in Windows, but say you should go for Notepad++. It's free and open source, plus very light of 7 or 10 MB, something like that. And it's a good way to it's a good practice to use a text editor, basically an HTML text editor, so that you can organize your tags and you can view the code properly and you are not confused in what you are writing. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll be continuing learning with the next video itself. And you can visit exire.com for further tutorials. You can subscribe if you want to receive future updates from YouTube regarding this channel, and you can also share this video if you want to spread information and knowledge among others. Once again, thank you very much.